Heading off-road is part of the Jeep experience, which means you'll be out after dark. That's not a problem with the XL Linkable Roof Mount Light Kit by Baja Designs. If you're looking to upgrade your off-road lighting setup, this kit is definitely worth considering. It is specifically designed for the 2020 Jeep Gladiator and 2018 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler JL, excluding the Rubicon 392 model. One of the standout features of this kit is the linkable design, allowing you to illuminate a larger area and provide exceptional visibility during nighttime adventures. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or setting up camp, these lights have got you covered. These roof-mounted lights are engineered with Baja Designs' cutting-edge technology. They boast a powerful 40-watt LED output per light. That's like having daylight on demand. What's even more impressive is their durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, these lights are built to last through the harshest of conditions. They're IP69K rated, which means they are both dust-proof and water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about mud, dirt, or even heavy rain spoiling your next adventure. Just imagine how these lights can transform your nighttime off-road experience. With the XL Linkable Roof Mount Light Kit, you'll have the confidence to conquer any trail, knowing that you'll have clear visibility ahead. If you are interested in the XL Linkable Roof Mount Light Kit by Baja Designs or need help with installation, check out the store locator on screen or in the description below. And check back for new videos each week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.